There has never been a greater time than now to invest in the Metro Detroit area, and there is no other investment firm better qualified than Platinum Real Estate Holdings. With 40 years experience and over 1,000 homes sold, let Platinum Real Estate Holdings assist you with the purchase of a city-certified home of the highest quality, turnkey properties, screen renters, yielding instant cash flow. Well, what are you waiting for? Call or visit us online today. Welcome to the weekly recap for the week of March 21st. Today's recap will cover current predictions on mortgage rates for spring 2016, an update on the new Detroit Red Wings hockey arena, and an exciting development plan in the area called District Detroit, a plan that promises to create lots of new retail and office space investment in the city of Detroit. This week's recap begins now. Economists say mortgage rates are not likely to go up in the months ahead. This is good news for those planning to shop for a home this spring. Although all eyes will continue to be on the Federal Reserve going into spring, economists say homebuyers are likely to see some very attractive mortgage rates in the 4% range on a 30-year fixed interest rate loan. The reason for the prediction of lower interest rates are in part because of the rough patches with economic woes in China, falling oil prices, and tumbling stock prices on Wall Street. The bottom line can be summed up by Greg McBride, chief financial analyst at Bankrate.com. He says homebuyers don't have to worry about mortgage rates. What's more essential for homebuyers is to make sure they shore up their credit by paying bills on time, limit credit cards and taking big car loans right before shopping for a mortgage, and concentrate on a down payment. And lastly, shop around for the right house and mortgage for your budget. In other news, the investment in the Detroit Red Wings arena area is estimated to hit about $1.2 billion. The new hockey arena under construction has attracted a huge surge of outside investment interest, with developers vying to build a new hotel, housing, and stores that could fulfill the promise of an expanded district of sports and entertainment rising on the northern edge of downtown. It's the latest step in the Illages' quest to transform 45 blocks of Detroit into a densely populated, attractive set of new neighborhoods. If successful, the plan called District Detroit would create an area bigger than the current downtown. When the arena opens for the Detroit Red Wings season in late 2017, some 210,000 square feet of office and retail space will arrive at the same time, and the first 225 units of residential housing and adjacent projects will come online a few months after, the Illages predict. Illage officials broke down the over $1 billion in total spending for the new district like this. The arena itself is estimated at more than $625 million. The adjacent office, retail, and restaurant space will cost $196 million. And the nearby housing, hotel, Little Caesars headquarters, and public infrastructure will cost in the $400 million range. Now that we've broken down the cost, the question you may be asking yourself is, how will this be paid for? Well, the project will be paid through public and private dollars. The investment for the district beyond the arena will be partly paid for with $250 million in state-issued bonds and $35 million in downtown property tax revenue already collected and earmarked for economic development. The state also issued another $200 million in bonds for the arena that the Illages are responsible for paying back. The rest of the hockey arena and the district investment comes mostly from private sources, including the Illage family and future private developers. Although there is criticism that taxpayer money is being used to help build the arena, the plan is for the $250 million in arena bonds to be paid off using those property tax receipts, which are expected to rise with the addition of new businesses and housing that result from the arena project. In addition, Olympia agreed to hire Detroit residents for 51% of the arena construction jobs, and also agreed that at least 30% of the contractors hired would be from Detroit. In short, all of this could be put best by Tom Wilson, president and CEO of the Illages Olympia Entertainment. Quote, "When this is done with the stadiums, the Fox Theater, the other theaters down here, this is going to be the epicenter of sports and entertainment in Michigan. So it's going to be a pretty exciting place to be." Well, that's this week's weekly recap. Have a great day. This has been your weekly real estate investment news recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Please like or comment below this video to enter to win a free copy of our ebook, the ultimate real estate guide for residential real estate investments. You can also subscribe to our channel or go to our website to receive the latest in real estate news. Our website also affords you the opportunity to view our latest turnkey properties.